Hi there, this is a video just to show a very annoying, frankly, behavior that I only recently managed to solve when you're using Drishti, which of course is a fantastic program, but this particular problem has been sort of bothering me for a long time, and I finally figured out why it's happening. So have a look at this CT scan, right? This is a lower jaw of a fossil hyrax, and this is in low res mode in Drishti. I'm using an old version for other reasons, but in any event, this is 264. And what I want you to see is that in low res mode, as I rotate it, you can see that some of the detail here is, it's moving beyond the plane of the reconstructed voxels, right? So that's the first premolar, and as I turn in low res mode, you can see that the image is losing some of the anatomy there as I turn it. And of course, the same thing happens in high res mode, so I'm going to press F2, and now I'm in high res mode. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and you can see as I zoom in, a lot of that tooth is now disappearing in jaw, etc. And in a lot of situations, maybe I want to look right up close to that cusp right there, but I can't. I can't zoom in because it's eating away. And I think this is because, or at least the way I've sort of managed to get around this particular behavior, is just to toggle back between orthographic and perspective. So if I toggle back to perspective now, so I'm going to keep it in orthographic for a minute, and you can see that the behavior is there. When I rotate, some of the image disappears. I toggle into perspective, and you see, first of all, that the image is way up close now. So I'm just going to zoom back out. And when I rotate now, that behavior no longer occurs, right? And in fact, for other reasons, you might want to keep it in orthographic, which is not a problem. I toggle right back into orthographic, and the behavior disappears. So it's really easy to solve this issue. You just switch back and forth between perspective and orthographic. And in other regards, I have the settings that I like here, so otherwise I have to quit and then reload the volume and then go back into high res and change my different lighting settings here. So anyways, I thought that might be helpful for some of you who have this problem of the rotation losing some parts of the high res and indeed low res image. Thank you very much.